Hello, welcome to Tech Training. Are you looking for a way to protect your Excel document with password so people can't access it, or you want people to access it but you don't want them to change the formula or edit the content, or you just want to hide the formula in your document so others can't see it, or you want certain people to edit certain areas of your Excel document, meaning you want different levels of security for different levels of people? If you answered yes to any of these, then this course is for you. In this course, 4 ways to protect and secure your Excel file. You will learn how to protect an Excel file, how to protect an Excel workbook, how to protect an Excel worksheet, how to protect a cell. Now let's begin. Number 1. How to protect an Excel file. File level security means protecting your Excel file by making use of a password. That means a password is required to open the file. Now let's paint a scenario. You're an accountant in an office. You finish creating the payroll. Only your account officer in the bank who has the password can access the file. Or scenario number 2, you store your files in the cloud, and to be extra safe, you want to password protect it against unauthorized access. This is how to do it. I have this sample document here. Go to File, click Info. Under Protect Workbook box, click the launcher and select Encrypt with Password. You see, require a password to open this workbook. Now here, we can type a simple password. Click OK. It will ask you to confirm the password. Type it again and click OK. So now you can see a password is required to open this workbook. Remember, you save the file and then close the document. Now if I open the document again, and I click Tech Training Payroll, it will ask me for that same password. If I put a wrong password, see a password, the password you supplied is not correct. Verify that the caps lock key is off and be sure to use the correct capitalization. If I go again and I click the file, and now I supply the correct password and I click OK. See, I have the file open. So that's it with file level security.